Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
All right, we're on the saddle permission today. Super beautiful day. Got the pond down here. We're out looking at some a new piece of the property that we haven't really hunted much on. Not many squirrels out today for some reason. I don't know what's going on, but
perfect weather.
Yeah, the weather is amazingly good. Literally, it's getting warm already. It's like 10 o'clock. It's already warm, so we'll see. We'll have to go back down on the bottom and see if there's any squirrels here. If we can't find any, we're looking at these brush piles. I don't know if you can see them over here. Some brush piles here. It sees a squirrel, but it's right in line with the house, so neighbor's house. So these brush piles have some squirrels in them, so we'll hopefully get a few. Ed got one at the top of this brush pile right here, and so there's a few, but there's not many. We thought they'd be loaded because we got a report that along this fence line behind us, or behind here, behind you guys, is there was a bunch of squirrels. The lady was putting out a trap and catching a bunch, but we rode that whole fence line. We didn't see any traps, and we didn't see any squirrels at all. It's not even good squirrel holding country. So we're back down here, and then we're going to head back down before it gets too hot, see what's going on, and hopefully get a few squirrels. So stick with us and see what happens.
Oh, here's one even closer.
Yeah, that was a hit.
That might have been a headshot.
Oh yeah, I think so.
Nice. That was 67 yards.
Oh, I think he hit the wood. Or might have got him in the foot. He jumped like a mullet.
Mm-hmm. To the right of the big brush pile.
Oh, I see him.
What are you getting?
66. You rolled him, and he got back up. There he is.
66 yards.
Oh, yeah.
That was a headshot. I saw the impact. Thank you. I think I put 2 in there.
Want me to go? Oh, that was too high. Oh, you got him?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I heard him scream.
I would have too. That's a click. Whew! Thank God he waited. 35, 40 yards. I'm just gonna get rid of it. In the hole. Just making double sure.
Got him. He's flopping. He's jumping and flapping and flopping.
Like he was coming down. I think that was a hit.
Was it?
Pretty freaking sure. I saw no dust, and he just kind of went into ouch mode. Where's that freaking hole at now? Damn it, I already lost it right there. Yeah. Click, click.
Oh, crushed him.
That's pretty good after all that mess up.
Freaking crushed him. What's that coming down the hill? Is that him? Or
Yeah. No, that's gravity taking over.
About 45 yards. That was a hit. Did I get him?
I would have to say yes.
41. Come out of there. Oh shit, missed him.
Well,
35 you said?
about 37,
What was that? Oh, got him that time. That first one was weird. It sounded like it hit him, but it must have been
I wonder if you just stunned him.
behind something.
Because his tail came up straight, he was all locked up.
Crazy. 53. I think he ran, but I think I shot through him and hit the wood. What it looked like anyway.
I would say.
42. Oh, you dog. Safety's on. 42. I think I got him. 74 yards. Oh, right past his ear. Again. Now I'm shooting right. Oh, crushed him. It took me long enough. Now I'm shooting right now again, so I gotta move it back over. All right, not a stellar day, but still got out of the house. Nice weather. It's getting kind of hot now. It's got to be in the 80s. Well, in the 80s now already. It's 12:30, 12:20. So I ended up with 6, which is kind of sad, but it is what it is.
7.
So we got
kind of sad.
Yeah,
it is what it is.
13 for the day. Oh, here comes the landowner, 100 miles an hour. Yeah, so we got 8 or 13, so better than none. And so we'll be back again. So thanks for sticking with us. Please like and subscribe, and we're gonna get out of here before the landowner smokes us out with dust. All right, see ya.